So now I think I am compelled to say something regarding this accident that's happened in Val. That's claimed at least 14 lives of young children. I've recently noticed that somebody or someone has posted that there is also a recent accident that's claimed 10 lives. So I'll look at things spiritually. Ukuthi lento isho ukuthini. Yabona nje starting from this Val accident that was attributable to a young man of 22 years of age. Yabona bafowethu njengoba nazi ukuthi umdali munye akahlukanisiwe futhi yonke into yinye ngoba yonke into isuka entweni eyodwa. Kodwa kumele ukwazi ukuthi kulento eyodwa kunama divisions awu2 within. Okubumnyama nokukhanya. Njengoba wazi nawe ukuthi izinto zihlukaniseke kanjalo, law of duality le. Uyabona ke iattack ke le. Yabo le yenzekile eVal iattack ke le. Angithi ukuzwe kuthiwa inkunzi sematholeni. Uma wena uthatha wona amathole, kusho ukuthi uqonda ukuthi ayingabe yisabakhona inkunzi. That is a spiritual attack ke. Leza ngane zingane bezipowerful njengoba wazi ukuthi ingane ipowerful kangakanani. Kodwa before ngichaze ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha uthi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Njengoba wazi ukuthi ke spiritually how powerful is the child. Uma ngabe kwenzeka kanje yana ke kusho leyanto iattack yamandla obumnyama. Kune video engisazoyenza nje. Angithi niyakhumbula ukuthi ngake ngathi according to Ra Uruhu's prophet ngo-2027 we are starting a new global cycle ebizwa nge-the sleeping phoenix. And ingane ezozalwa kuleyo cycle they are not human like me and you. They are raves. So their hardware is updated for a new software consciousness. So lezi ingane ihambile, they possessed an updated hardware futhi nazo, because each and every time hardware is keep on updating. What do I mean mangithi hardware is keep on updating? Umdali unento ekuthiwa ama consciousness programmers ukuthi we are evolving. So if we evolve spiritually we need to evolve physically. Yabo ngeke uzokwazi uku-installa i-operating system we hardware engekho capable ukwazi ukuyihosta le operating system. So ingane ke ezinye zabantu abapowerful kakhulu abane updated hardware to fight imoya yobumnyama eya operator. Waphela siyazi ukuthi impi lento kuthiwa o galactic wars izimpi zisuka le kude yabo. Angifuni ukungena kulokho kulokhu kwezimpi ukuthi zisuka phi ziyapi yini aba kunjena, but kumele ukwazi ukuthi thina sibekiwe la. Yabona nje uma ngase kufe mina nje ngase kufe mina njoba mina sengi awaken manje. I'm spitting fire, I'm showing the way, I'm like ngivumile ukuthi ngingasetshenziswa. Lo nto le yobishi attack le nto le. Lo nto ukuhamba kwalabo bantu kusuke kushi attack. Leyanto attack leyanto. I can tell you ingakhona ke into eshoyo ukuthi ubani bekumele enze kanjani, ubani bekumele enze kanjani. Kodwa because something has happened already. Something has happened already. Phela into ayiqali physical, into iqala spiritually. Bese ingene kulo ukuthi enze ngale ndlela enze ngayo. Yabo into ingena kumuntu imhijack consciousness yakhe vele imoya isebenza ngabantu. Yabo isebenza ngabantu futhi ke kuzomela ukuthi advice ngiphinde ngiyinikeze futhi. Kuzomela ukuthi advice ngiphinde ngiyinikeze futhi going forward, because ukunake na ukuthi if izinto sezenzeka zenzeka kube ngazuthi umlilo wequbula. Uthola ukuthi sekwenzeka ngala, kuthathe kubatshazwa lokhu, sekwenzeka ngala, kuthathe kubatshazwa lokhu, sekwenzeka ngala. I would like to give you an advice, but after I've made sure ukuthi I've explained everything thoroughly. Uyayizwa leyo nto? So bafowethu, this is a spiritual attack yamandla a-opposer amandla okukhanya. Ubobona nawe ukuthi makuhambe ingane uyena umuntu ekuthiwa bese ne-potential lona besamele ukuthi aphile lona ukuhamba kwengane ikona kanye okuzwakala kubhlungu kakhulu, yabo. Ikona okuzwakala kubhlungu kakhulu more than umuntu omdala, because they know the potential that and the efficacy that the child possesses, you see. So now if we are losing the children like that, so it means something. It really means something. When the best you can do for now, because land engikhuluma ngayo ifida nge-energy yokuthi nina i-energy yenu ne-focus yenu isikuphi, bese isakha leyo energy yenu ke njengamanje, yabo. Yabona ke njengamanje ngoba ni bombarded by these things, ninika amandla even more. Lezi zinto nizinika amandla ke manje, yabo, even more, yabo. Yabona ubumnyama awubususi ngokuthi ulwe nabo ubumnyama. Ubumnyama ubususa override ngokukhanya. You can't get rid of darkness, you only bring light, yabo. So ke you people, because kulento ekuthiwa i-energy harvesting, yabo, njengamanje ifocus yonke ingena ngala imedia ibombathi. Khumbule njalo ukuthi abantu abayiphethe nemedia obani, uyezwa. Khumbula ukuthi nabantu abaphethe nemedia obani, yabo. Hamba kanjani showcase. Ukhumbula ukuthi nabantu abaphethe nemedia abantu vele abanesobho abafida. Yabona lezi zinto lezi kanje bafethu, lezi zinto yisuke zaziwa vele ukuthi izokwenzeka kwenye dimension, yabo. And zisuke zingazuthi izinto ongazuthi wena zi-orchestrated and zine plan ngoba zibe umlilo wequbulu bese ziphinde zihlala phansi, uyabo. Ubona ukuthi no, this is an energy harvesting. Akona amandla okukhanya lawa. Siyazi ke vele ukuthi kumdali konke kusebenzelana kube ngokuhle, the law of oneness lebe kade ngikhuluma ngayo, but vele it's always about two forces, two opposing forces. Ngithi yabo, it's always about two opposing forces. Asincisheni sisuffocate i-energy le. Asisuffocating because you can go as far angazi. I don't know ukuthi, I don't want you to be ignorant, but at the same time I want you to be aware of what is it that you are doing, because umthetho uyasho ukuthi where focus goes energy flows and result shows. So where is our focus right now? Kulezinto eziyi-havoc ezingama calamities. So our energy, where our energy is going to go, it's going to go there, and it's going to cook more of those things again. Melo be aware of those things. Mina, because I'm aligned to in my charts, I don't know about other people. As fun, well, as fun. Mina, I am able to be myopic by choice and focus where I want to focus and shut all these things, yabo? And only follow my strategy and authority. When something says now, please check, I don't just go ngihambe ngilokhunjana, yabo. Kunamavidiyo ngadlula nje very immediately nje vele ngathi ngadlule nje shwi fast, yabo. So mhlambe nawe, I don't know ukuthi you can exercise that, or I don't know, but I'm just bringing you the light ukuthi this is an attack and it's gonna be fueled by our energy and focus. It's not ukuthi mhlambe izona yini ingane escapeayo noma kukanjani lutho ukuhlase amasosha, makufa amasosha amancane siyalimala. Yimpi leyo.